respected MD sir, MD ma'am, principal ma'am, all other staff members, and dear students. Firstly, great afternoon to all of you.
Great afternoon, sir.
As you know, we are organizing a mathematics quiz, inter-class quiz. It is between Mukul team and Manat team from 9th coaching class. I hope you are prepared. Have you prepared?
Yes, sir.
Should we start the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Should we start the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first question, who has been the toss? Manat,
Yes, sir.
you have the choice to choose person. Now it is the first question for Mukul.
Yes.
First question, sir, for Mukul. And question is, answer carefully after discussion. You will have just 1 minute to answer the question. First question is, which of the following is the additive identity for rational numbers? Option A, 1. Option B, 0. Option C, -1. And option D, none of these. What will be the additive identity?
Option C -1.
Option C -1 is absolutely wrong answer.
Can we?
Yes, this is bonus question now. 0 is the right answer. Please clap for Manat team. Sir, bonus 0.5 for Manat team. Okay, next question is for Manat. Please be careful while answering. Answer is B. Right answer is B. Which of the following is the multiplicative identity for rational number?
1.
1. Very right. C answer is correct answer. 2 marks for Manat team. Next question is for Mukul. The decimal expansion of irrational numbers is option A, terminating. Option B, non-terminating. Option C, terminating but repeating. And option D, terminating but non-repeating. Decimal expansion of irrational numbers. Answer carefully. What will be decimal expansion of irrational numbers? Time is running. Hurry up. You have 10 seconds. C is wrong answer. Yes.
Non-terminating, sir.
Only non-terminating.
Non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating.
Which option you are preferring?
D, sir.
D is the correct answer. Clap for Manat team. Answer is B. Bonus point to Manat. Next question is for Manat team. Which of the following is irrational number? Under root 625, 1.123, 123, 123 and up to so on. C pi and D -98 upon 43. Which of the following is irrational number? Answer after discussing. You have 1 minute to answer it. It is under root 625. It is 1.23, 123, 123. It is pi and it is -98 by 43. Hurry up. You have just 10 seconds. You can pass the question if you don't know the answer. Yes?
B, sir. Option B.
Option B. Option B is absolutely incorrect option. You lost it. Yes, this is the bonus question for you.
C.
C is the right answer. Pi is an irrational number. Team Manat, 22 2/7 is the approximate value of pi. It is not the absolute value of pi. Okay, it is the only irrational number. Well done sir. 0.5 marks for Mukul team. Bonus. This is the question for Mukul team. Get ready. Which of the following is the second highest term? We have 4 options. You have to select the second highest term. Which of the following is the second highest term? You have 1 minute. Time will be restricted. Yes, you can answer if you got it. Hurry up, time is running, beta. Option A. Option A is incorrect answer. Yes, it is the bonus question for Manna team. Hurry up.
Option B, sir.
Option B is the absolutely right answer. Listen, students. I was asking about second highest term, not the highest term. It is the highest term and it is the second highest term. So answer is B. Next question is for Manna team. Which of the following has non-terminating decimal expansion? If you convert them in decimal form, which of the following has non-terminating decimal expansion? Option A 768 divided by 225. Option B 561 divided by 250. Option C 123 divided by 81. And option D 351 divided by 200. Which of the following have the non-terminating decimal expansion? Calculate it and answer it. Hurry up. Time is running. -1 is absolutely wrong answer. Question now. 0. 0 is the right answer. Please clap for Manna team. Number 1. Very right. C answer is correct answer. C is wrong answer. Only non-terminating.
Non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating.
Which option you are preferring?
D, sir.
D is the correct answer. Clap for Manna team. B. Option B is absolutely incorrect option. C is the right answer. Pi is an irrational number. Option A. Option A is incorrect answer.
D, sir.
Option B is the absolutely right answer. Yes? D is the wrong answer. Yes? C is the correct answer. Clap for Mukul team. Yes? B is the wrong answer.
A option.
A option. A is also absolutely wrong answer.
Why negative marking?
No marks. And option D, this is not a polynomial.
Sir, option D, this is not a polynomial.
Option D, this is not a polynomial, is the incorrect answer. You lost it. A is the wrong answer. Option A is incorrect option.
Sir,
C. Option C is absolutely right answer. Clap for quantity.
C.
Option C is absolutely right answer. Clap for team Manna. Option A is incorrect option.
Sir, option B.
X plus 2 is the factor.
Option B, sir.
Option B is absolutely correct answer. Clap for option C. Option C is wrong answer. Yes. Option D is also incorrect option. What will be the coefficient of x square in 2x?
Sir, option C.
Option C. Option C is incorrect option. Option A 36 is incorrect option.
B, B.
Option D, ordinate. Ordinate is incorrect answer. The right answer. Hurry up, time is running. Yes, answer it or pass it.
D.
Yes.
D.
D. D is the wrong answer. Yes, bonus question for Mukul team. You have 30 seconds to answer it. Yes, answer it. Time is running. Time is up. Answer it. Yes? C is the correct answer. Clap for Mukul team. They got bonus of 0.5. Students, which denominator will include 2 into 5? It will be terminating. And if it is not containing 2 and 5, it will be non-terminating. Here 81 is does not contain 2 and 5 both. It means it will be non-terminating. So answer is C. Next question is for Mukul team. Get ready. Which of the following is true? You have 4 statements. You have to tell which is true. Option A, sum of 2 irrational numbers is always irrational. Option B, sum of 2 rational can be irrational. Option C, all irrational numbers are of the form under root m. And option D, square root of all positive numbers exist. You have to choose the true option. Sum of 2 irrational is always irrational. Sum of 2 rational can be irrational. All irrational numbers are of the form under root m. And option D, square of all positive numbers exist. If you have any confusion about options, you can repeat it. Yes? B. B is the wrong answer. Yes, it is bonus question. A option. A is also absolutely wrong answer. No marks will be given. Yes, negative marking for Mukul team, sir. Only for Mukul team, negative marking. I am telling you, right option is D. Sum of 2 irrational number is always irrational. It is not necessary. Under root 2 and minus under root 2. Sum will be 0. Sum of 2 rational number cannot be irrational anyway. All irrational number are of the form under root m. If you take m is equal to 4, you will get the answer under root 4 and answer will be 2. It will be rational. So option D is the correct answer. If you will find the square root of 7, you will get some answer now. That is why it is right. Okay, always exist. It will be terminating, non-terminating. What will be the answer? It does not matter, but it exists. Next question is for team Manat. Get ready. What will be the degree of the polynomial? It is under the under root of x square plus 2x square plus 4. What will be the degree of the polynomial? It is all terms are under root. Okay, under the under root all terms. Option A 4, option B 2, option C 1, and option D this is not a polynomial.
Option D, this is not a polynomial.
Option D this is not a polynomial is the incorrect answer. You lost it. Yes. You can guess the answer. Solve it. A is the wrong answer. Both team are losing. I am telling you, It is the square of x square plus 2. Which term is under root? Under the under root, it is square of x square plus 2. Square and under root will be cancelled. Answer will be 2. Degree will be 2. Next question is for team Mukul. Sir, negative. It was negative marking in the previous question for Manna team. Next question for Mukul. What is the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k? What will be the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k? Option A. Option A is incorrect option.
Sir, option C.
Option C. Option C is absolutely right answer. Clap for Manna team. You will have to put 8 equal to 0 and then put x is equal to 1. You will get the answer minus 3. So option C is absolutely right answer. Sir, bonus point for Manna. Yes, next question is for Manna team. Get ready. What is the value of minus 6 cube plus 4 cube plus 2 square? What is the value of minus 6 cube plus 4 cube plus 2 square? Option A 0, option B 144, option C minus 144 and option D 216. You will have precisely 1 minute to solve it. No time will be given to complete calculation. You have to use the identity.
Sir, option C.
Option C is absolutely right answer. Clap for team Manna. In this question, we have used this identity. If x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 3xyz, if when it happens if x plus y plus z is 0. Okay, so we can calculate directly in less than 1 minute. Next question is for team Mukul. Be careful. Which of the following is cubic and trinomial polynomial? Minus 1 is absolutely wrong answer. Next question now. 0. 0 is the right answer. Please clap for Manna team. Number 1. Very right. C answer is correct answer. C is wrong answer. Only non-terminating.
Non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating.
Which option you are preferring?
D, sir.
D is the correct answer. Clap for Manna team. B. Option B is absolutely incorrect option. C is the right answer. Pi is an irrational number. Option A. Option A is incorrect answer.
D, sir.
Option B is the absolutely right answer. Yes? D is the wrong answer. Yes? C is the correct answer. Clap for Mukul team. Yes? B is the wrong answer.
A option.
A option. A is also absolutely wrong answer.
Why negative marking?
No marks. And option D, this is not a polynomial.
Sir, option D, this is not a polynomial.
Option D, this is not a polynomial, is the incorrect answer. You lost it. A is the wrong answer. Both option A is incorrect option.
Sir,
C, option C is absolutely right answer. Clap for Manna team.
option C.
Option C is absolutely right answer. Clap for team Manna. Option A is incorrect option.
Sir, option B.
X plus 2 is the factor.
Option B, sir.
Option B is absolutely correct answer. Clap for option C. Option C is wrong answer. Yes. Option D is also incorrect option. What will be the quotient of x square in 2x?
Sir, option C.
Option C is incorrect option. Option A 36 is incorrect option.
B.
Option D, ordinate. Ordinate is incorrect answer. The right answer. Which of the following is cubic and trinomial polynomial? Option A, x power 4 plus x cube plus x square. Option B, x square plus x minus 1. Option C, x cube plus 6x. And option D, x cube minus x minus 1. Answer after discussion. If all are agree, only then you can answer. Don't answer in excitement only. What is cubic and trinomial polynomial? Which should be cubic and trinomial both? Time is running. Hurry up. Option A. Option A is incorrect option.
Sir, option D.
Option D is absolutely right. Right answer. Clap for Manoj D. Students, listen to me. Why option A is incorrect? Because power is 4. In cubic polynomial there is 3 power. Power should be 3. And for trinomial there should be 3 terms. 3 terms are there. So option D is correct option. It is question for Manat. Get ready. X plus 2 is the 0 or factor you can say of the polynomial px if p at 2 is 0, p at minus 2 is 0, p at 1 is 0 and p at 2 is 1. When x plus 2 is the factor?
Option B, sir.
Option B is absolutely correct answer. Clap for them. So 2 marks for team Manat. Next question is for team Mukul. Yes sir. The coefficient of x square in the polynomial. You have a polynomial 2x minus 3 raised to the power 3. What is the coefficient of x square in this polynomial? Option A, minus 36. Option B, minus 96. Option C, minus 16. And option D, 36. You can use the identity which you have learned. What will be the coefficient of x square? Hurry up, time is running. Option C. Option C is wrong answer. Yes, it is the bonus question. Team Manat, you have 30 seconds to answer it. Hurry up. You will have just 30 seconds to answer the question, or otherwise I will answer. 15 seconds. Yes. 10 seconds are left.
Option D, sir.
Option D. Option D is also incorrect option. No team will get positive marks. Only negative marking for Mukul 0.5. Option will be A, minus 36. If you open the identity A minus B ka whole cube, then you will get the answer A minus 36. It is question for Manna team. Be careful. Coefficient of x square in 2 minus 3x cube. If you are a good listener, you can answer it. I had given the clue just before the question.
Sir, 30.
What will be the coefficient of x square in 2x minus 3 raised to the power, 2 minus 3x raised to the power 3?
Sir, option C.
Option C. Option C is incorrect option. all identities are not applied identically. There is some difference. You can see. You can answer it. I have the clue. I have given the clue. You can answer it. This is the bonus question. There will be no negative marking. Hurry up, answer it. Option A 36 is incorrect option. Means you have to learn the identities. If you apply the identity A minus B cube again, you will get the answer B 54. Answer will be 54. Next question is for team Mukul. Get ready, Yuchi. Yes. The distance of a point from y-axis in the plane is called. Read the question carefully. The distance of a point from y-axis in the plane is called. Option A y-axis, option B origin, option C abscissa, and option D ordinate. What will be the distance of a point from y-axis?
ठीक है सर ऑप्शन डी
Option D ordinate. Ordinate is incorrect answer.
अफसीसा सर
Abscissa is the absolutely right answer. Negative marking for team Mukul and 0.5 bonus for team Manak. Okay?
आगे बेहतर लेना सर नहीं ये आज से है नहीं कंपटीशन बढ़ नहीं रहा मेरे में
यस सर बन नहीं रहा सर
ये मतलब नहीं कसम से आ रहे हैं उसका फायदा क्या है इस चीजों की इतने खींच ले
Yes sir.
आज
तो क्या सर?
कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है मेरे कसम से
Okay, we will do rest of the quiz next time.
एक साइड से मिलेगी आपको एक साइड से नहीं मिलेगी
वीडियो स्टॉप करें
मतलब नहीं सर चले तो कुछ कहना आप इसमें
Yes sir.
रिजल्ट तो बता
Team Manak got 7.5 marks and team Mukul, yes, you can clap. And team Mukul got 3 marks. You can learn more. Congratulations both the teams. Because no team is there.
नो नो
Now you all are separate. There is no team game. I will ask 5 questions to you. Who will answer correctly and who will answer most questions? We will provide you the gift. Even this is the matter of confidence. If you will answer it, then we can think that we should give you the gift. If you are just answering, okay? So all are ready? Should I place the question? Okay. Take your pen and answer it as hurry up you can. The ordinate of a point is. Sir, 1 minute. Yes, Srishti, stand up.
सर वाई को ऑर्डिनेट होता पॉइंट
Y coordinate of the point. Okay. Who raised the hand? Yes.
एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट होता
अच्छी
है
है
X coordinate of the point. Okay. Samir.
Sir, y coordinate of
Y coordinate of the point. Clap for them. Firstly, clap for them. Srishti and Samir has given the correct answer. Answer is Y coordinate. Y coordinate of the point. Clap for them. Okay, next question.
एक फर्स्ट को खाएगा
Okay, only one.
उसका होगा तो फिर बताना नहीं रॉन्ग है वो उसका अगला
Okay. Then who will see that who has raised the first hand?
देखना जो भी
मैं? You can stand up randomly. If you won't, then prefer the second one. Yes, next question. The value of k if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of 3x minus 2y is equal to k. So many hands. Okay, Rashi.
Sir, second middle.
Yes, ma'am.
Second line.
Who? Arpit. Okay, Arpit, stand up. Answer it.
-1, sir.
-1. Okay, let me check. Yes, absolutely right answer. -1 is the correct answer. Clap for him. Huge clap for him. Big round of applause. Yes. Okay, stop it. Next question. This is the answer of question A. Next question is for you. How many solution this equation can have? Equation is pi x plus y is equals to 9. Unique solution, no solution, two solution, none of these. Yes, ma'am.
Third line.
Third row, who?
Big row.
Samir.
So no solution.
No solution. Sit down, it's incorrect option. Okay, ma'am. Second one. You remember?
Second, sir. Going parallel.
Okay.
Unit 2, sir.
Wait a minute. Muskan, you stand up.
Unit 2, sir.
Unique solution. No, correct, incorrect
जब
answer.
वैसे रह जाए रहेगा
Even you are not guessing now.
स्किप करो
Okay. Correct answer is none of these. I have not mentioned wisely because there is infinite many solution. You can guess the word if I put here. But wisely I have not given you the option. Option is none of these. Infinite many solution will be there. Okay, next question. It's not the option type question. Okay, we can ask you all if you raise your hands. Who will correct answer? As many as you will give the correct answer, we will provide you the pen. This is not the multiple choice question. You have to define something. The work of Euclid related to geometry only is called as. Euclid, a mathematician, have done some work related to geometry only. He has done work for whole mathematics. But what is it is called if it is used for geometry only? Any guesses?
One word answer.
Yes, this is one word answer. Yes.
Postulates.
Postulate is the right answer. Clap for Arpit. Give him 2 pens. Give him a big round of applause. Big round of applause. Multiple choice question anyone can do, but it will be better if you are answering the one line or one word question. I have one last question, so try it harder. Okay, all the best for last question. Answer is postulate. What are collinear points? Who will tell me what are the collinear points? It is the question from lines and angles. Chapter name, I am telling you, lines and angles. This is the 6th chapter of your book.
इतना बता दिया अभी नहीं
What are the collinear points? It will be find in definitions where you got reflex angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, right angle. In between there is collinear point. Okay, let me give you the more clue. It is below the angle, straight angle, line, ray, line segment. After that definition occur collinear points.
हो गया
Dev, answer it. You can speak in Hindi or English, no problem.
Line segment.
No, line segment is not the answer.
Sir,
I am asking
Question देखो collinear point.
when we say that 3 points are collinear.
हाँ
Okay, tell me. Yes? Answer it, no problem. There is no negative marking.
sir, please repeat.
आपका ये
There is no option.
आपने बोला था sir.
पहले
Lines.
I am
question समझो पहले.
repeating the question. When we say that 3 points are collinear, there is only one clue, one word in the whole sentence.
Ray, sir.
Ray.
No. I am asking all the points. Yeah, listen to me. Yes.
जब हम मिलते हैं सर
No. Point of intersection is not the collinear points.
रहेगा इतना उसको अपनी नाम
सर जब कोई दो लाइंस में
Yes. Firstly stand up, then answer it. Yes.
कोई भी लाइन सेकंड है सर
Yeah.
से दोनों सर
No.
वैसे
Let me answer it.
अब
May I answer it? Okay. Answer it. The three or more points which lie on the same line called collinear point. Okay. Thank you very much for your cooperation. I hope you have learned something from the quiz. Who lost the question, please answer them at home and learn something. That's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I would like to call MD sir to speak few words. Sir, please come.
मेरा काम नहीं ना चलो
कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट
Y coordinate of the point. Okay. Who raise the hand? Yes.
एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट
X coordinate of the point. Okay. Sunny.
Sir, Y coordinate of the
Y coordinate of the point. Clap for them. Firstly, clap for them. Srishti and Samir has given the correct answer. Y coordinate. Y coordinate of the point minus 1. Okay, let me check. Yes, absolutely right answer. Minus 1 is the correct answer.